Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to save user inputs in a file with Bash script on Ubuntu 21.04. A Bash script is a computer program designed to be run by a Unix shell, a command line interpreter. It is a plain text file which contains series of commands. Typical operations performed by a shell script including file manipulation, program execution and printing text. For that, first I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to log in as a root user by using following command. Next, I'm going to change it to the home directory. Next, I'm going to create a script file named test.sh. The extension of bash script must be .sh. Here in first line, I'm giving shebang symbol bin/bash, which indicates the bash file. Next, here I'm going to read the variables by using following command. First, I'm defining what variables need to enter. It will ask for name. For this user input, I am giving read syntax with variable name. The data is stored in variable name. Next, I am going to read the variable, another variable. For age, variable name is also age. Next, I am going to read another few variables. For this, I am giving variable as degree. Variable name is place. Next, after reading the R variable, now I'm going to save that variable with my text file by using following syntaxes. First, I'm going to save the name variable in equivalent to name place. This indicates that user input in the name variable will store straight to the name as a file.txt. Next, I'm going to save remaining data also in the same file. For that, I'm calling the variable, and the syntax will append the line of the previous line, which means it append in the last line. I'm giving the same file. I'm using the same syntax. It will append after the age variable. in the same file.txt. At last I am calling the place variable. It will append after the qualification line in the same file.txt. All data are stored in a single file, each line saved next by next. After completely editing this file, press escape for command mode, :WQ for save and exit. Now we are going to run the script. To run this bash script, we use sh command. Here give your name, give your age, qualification give something. That's all, script completed. Now I'm going to open the file.txt file. It must be created in the current location. Here all data we provided are stored in a file in line by line. This is how to save user inputs in a file with bash scripts on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.